Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on our new channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger notification is not working. So let's get started. Well, if your Facebook Messenger notification is not working, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Well, the first thing you're going to do is to go to your settings, then scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Here, a list of options will appear, so choose the second option, Manage Apps. And from here, a list of all the apps on your device will appear. Now, scroll all the way down till you get to Messenger app. Now, scroll all the way down. And here we got notifications. So, tap on it. Great. And here, make sure to toggle on Show Notifications option. So by toggling it on, then you'll be able to see Facebook Messenger notifications. And this is it. This is how to fix Facebook Messenger notification not working. Thanks for watching. See ya.